So buyers want to know exactly what they'll be buying when they view a listing. So your photos need to really clearly show your product. And this is a really important point, this next paragraph. No matter how amazing your product is, a bad photo really can prevent you from making a sale. I've worked with so many people over the years that have had beautiful products, but terrible photos. And if you have beautiful products, but terrible photos, you're never going to make a sale online because people just won't click through. They won't take that next step because the photos don't reflect the product well enough, basically. Now, another thing, a question people often ask, I see it popping up, is do your photos directly influence your search ranking? Now, no. So if you have all 10 photo slots full, that doesn't change where you turn up in Etsy search. Okay, it's not, the number of photos you have is not built into their algorithm. That's not important. However, what does influence your position in Etsy search is your conversion rate. So what's a conversion rate? It's the number of people, or the percentage of the people who click through to your store who end up making a purchase. The higher your conversion rate on a particular listing, so one item, the higher it will then be shown in search next time, because the Etsy AI algorithm is getting the signal that people who click through to this item end up buying it more. So it gets higher and higher in the search. So that is why having a lot of photos, like all of the good photos and the right photos and good photos, can positively impact your search position. It's not that you have more photos, it's that your photos are so good that people then end up buying the item, which increases your conversion rate, which increases your search ranking. Okay, so that's a really important little thing to know about the search rankings. This workshop was an excerpt from a much longer product photography workshop that I did as part of the Etsy U program. You can find this workshop and many others over on my channel under the Etsy U section. If you found this helpful, please do give it a thumbs up, and thanks so much for watching.